Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Gift here, and today we're going to be learning how to make this delicious catfish and yam pepper soup, and I really hope you enjoy watching. Please, if you want to know how I made this delicious meal, please keep on watching. So you guys, for this meal we need yam, then we need some fresh pepper and crayfish pounded together. I pounded this one. I did not blend them. I feel like the flavor is different when you pound them actually. Have you ever noticed it? I don't know. Anyways, I pounded them together, and that's crayfish and some fresh pepper. Then next we need some onions. We need some scent leaf. We call this in Chuanwu in Igbo. I don't know what they call it in Yoruba, but these scented leaves. Then catfish. And for the ingredients, we just need two things. I use the Benny chicken stock powder and some salt, and that's that for this meal, you guys. So in case you're wondering what's that on the catfish, guys, it is the egg. I've been told so many times that this thing is very sweet and very nice. You should cook it with the catfish, and that is very nice, but it didn't turn out nice. Okay, so inside my pot I'll be adding the yam, the crayfish and fresh pepper, the onions, and the salt. I wanted to pour everything almost, but I had to use my hand. Please use your hand, don't use spoon. If you can use spoon, fine, but please, the one you can do it. Then I'm going to add in the Benny chicken stock. Guys, this meal is best enjoyed during the weekend. I made this video in the weekend, okay? So if you want to enjoy this meal when you have the week has stressed you finish, just want to chill, just make this meal for yourself, put on a nice movie and just get a chill drink and just chill for the weekend, okay? So I'll be adding water into the pot, and next we're going to be transferring that on top of our gas cooker and allow it to boil. So it is already boiling and the house is smelling so good with the aroma of this food. So I'm going to just stir that up and check if the yam is soft enough. Please do not allow your yam to be too soft because you won't enjoy this food. Just allow it to be a little bit soft, so that it won't be too smoggy and too, like yam porridge. Get to put the fish first before everything will now be soft enough the way you want. Okay, so right now I'm going to be adding the catfish into this pot. So guys, as you can see here, I'm trying to get all the juice, all the water to get into the fish and just get them under the yam. And you have to do this carefully, please, so that the fishes don't break. This catfish is very tender, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create space for it so that I can actually just put it into the water direct, so it can suck up all the juice very, very well, so that by the time you're eating this meal, you're going to be enjoying it very, very well. Okay. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of water, then because this is pepper soup, so you need all the water you can get. Okay, then I'm going to be adding our chicken stock. Then a little bit of salt. Am I the only one that has noticed that catfish actually sucks up salt from your pot? If you have noticed it, please let me know, because I've been noticing things these days. Please, like when there's not enough, even if there's enough salt in the pot, when you add catfish inside, it will suck up the salt. When I noticed this was when I tried grilling catfish. One time I tried making barbecue catfish at home, and at the end of the day, I was not tasting. You know, when there is no salt in your food, that's when I started noticing that catfish actually sucks up too much salt. Anyways, I'm going to cover that and allow it to become tender, and we'll be right back. So we are back, and it is looking very, very good. I'm going to go ahead to add some scented leaves. And guys, if you have made it to this point of this video and you're not yet subscribed, oh my god, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Anyways, have you ever tried this meal? Okay, I know most of us would have tried this meal. Have you ever tried this recipe? Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, the best time to enjoy this meal, I'm always going to tell you guys, on a Friday evening or on a Saturday evening. Just have your chill drink by the side, watching a good movie, and just eating this delicious meal. Okay, so you guys, if you're going to try this recipe, please let me know. Can't believe I'm saying recipe on my channel. You guys have started cooking videos, like I said, and I'm enjoying it so far. Are you enjoying this video so far? Because I am. And my mouth is so watery, and I'm trying to please don't mind me. Anyways, I'm trying to gently turn that around. I've already off my gas cooker. The steam from this hot pot is going to, you know, make the scented leaf to become tender. And that's it for this meal. Very, very simple. Under how many minutes we're already done. Please let me know if you're going to try this. And thank you for watching. If you have reached this point of this video, please like this video. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, so yeah, so guys, this is what our meal is looking like. I enjoyed eating this meal. I don't know, please, if you're going to try it, do well to tag me, or just leave a comment after you've tried this recipe. Okay, please do well to like this video, share, comment, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.